I request Dr. A.S. Vasudeva Rao, Dean Administration at TAPMI, to introduce the distinguished chief guest, Dr. Narendra Jadhav.
Distinguished chief guest, dignitaries on the dais, the august audience, I have the pleasant and honorable task of introducing Dr. Narendra Jadhav, chief guest of 25th convocation of TAPMI. Dr. Narendra Jadhav is a leading educationist, eminent economist and policymaker, well-known social scientist and best-selling author. Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh has called Dr. Jadhav, quote, a role model for disempowered millions in our country. Dr. Narendra Jadhav is currently serving as a member of the Planning Commission. He took over this responsibility in June 2009 and was sworn in by the Prime Minister on July 27, 2009. As you are aware, Planning Commission is India's apex policy-oriented think tank chaired by the Prime Minister. As member Planning Commission, Dr. Jadhav's sectorial responsibility include education, primarily, labor employment, skill development, sports and youth affairs, social justice and empowerment. In addition, Dr. Jadhav looks after the states of Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Goa, besides the union territories of Diu, Daman and Dadar Nagar Haveli. Dr. Narendra Jadhav has also been appointed as a member of National Advisory Council chaired by Srimati Sonia Gandhi with effect from May 2010. Dr. Jadhav has an illustrious academic background. He is a PhD in economics from Indiana University, USA, MA in economics from Bombay University, and BSc in statistics from Bombay University. His professional profile is multifaceted. He is an educationist, economist, social scientist, and an author. As an educationist, he served as Vice Chancellor for 3 years in University of Pune, the largest traditional university in the world with 650,000 students. During his tenure, a metamorphic transformation of the university was brought about by him, making it as a dynamic, vibrant, socially conscious, and indeed a model state university. This is a most favored destination for the foreign students coming to India for higher education. At least about 45% of the foreign students coming to India study at University of Pune. As economist, he served the Reserve Bank of India for 31 years, taking voluntary retirement from the position of Principal Advisor and Chief Economist. In RBI, he steered a team of 120 career economists and played a significant role in macroeconomic policymaking in India, especially after the microeconomic crisis in 1991. Worked for 4.5 years at the International Monetary Fund as first advisor to Executive Director for India and briefly as a consultant to the Independent Evaluation Office of the IMF. He was also a Chief Economic Counselor for Afghanistan and advisor to the government of Ethiopia. In 2008, Chief Minister of Maharashtra appointed him as the chairman of a one-man high-powered committee in the context of farmers' suicides. Dr. Jadhav committee report has been accepted by the government and is being implemented now. As a social scientist and author, he is a prolific writer with 100 research papers, 14 books on economic and social issues, including 4 in Marathi to his credit. His latest contribution are 2 books in Marathi on Rabindranath Tagore. One is an anthology of Gurudev's poems translated into Marathi, and the other one is on Gurudev's lives and times. Dr. Jadhav shot to fame with this biographical novel written in both Marathi and English. A runaway bestseller with combined sales of over 5 lakh copies, and it has been translated into 17 languages. The book has received several awards, including coveted Sahitya Academy Award for its Punjabi version. Dr. Jadhav has authored around 30 major official reports, over 100 research papers and articles, besides serving on a number of committees. He has also delivered a series of memorial lectures, keynote addresses in national and international fora. A celebrated public figure, he has featured in Time, International Herald Tribune, Reader Digest, has participated in discussions on almost all leading national and international TV channels. He has been recipient of over 33 national and international awards, to cite a few of them: Elite Award, Excellence in Financial Communication by Association of Business Communication of India, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar's Rashtriya Smriti Puraskar, Rajiv Gandhi Memorial Award for Excellence in Education, Excellence Award for Excellence in Education, going back to his stay abroad, Award for Outstanding Contribution to Economic Theory for the PhD dissertation at Indiana University in 1986, Best International Student Award by Indiana University in 1983, National Scholar in Economics, Ministry of Education and Culture, Government of India in 81-86. Sir, on receiving the PG diploma by our students, graduating students, and the audience, and all of us are looking forward to your convocation address and words of wisdom, being an eminent educationist. Ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to introduce Dr. Narendra Jadhav, the chief guest of 25th Silver Jubilee Convocation of TAPTI, to this august audience. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Vasudeva. We now come to the much awaited part of today's function. I request Dr. Gururaj Kiriyu, Chairman of the PGP, to conduct the convocation proceedings.
Honorable Chief Guest of the Convocation, Dr. Narendra Jadhav, Member Planning Commission and National Advisory Council, Government of India. Respected Dr. H.S. Bellal, Member TAPMI Governing Council and Pro-Chancellor Manipal University. Dr. Saji Gopinath, Director of TAPMI. Respected members of TAPMI Governing Council and the Board of Management Studies. Invited guests, my colleagues from faculty and staff, students, parents of graduating students, ladies and gentlemen. It is my proud privilege as the chairman of the postgraduate program to conduct the presentation ceremony at the 25th annual convocation of TAPI Management Institute. Sir, 118 students of class of 2011 have been examined and found qualified for being awarded the postgraduate diploma in management, of which I present 112 students. 6 diplomas will be awarded in absentia. I shall now read the names of 112 of the graduating students who will receive their diplomas from the chief guest, Dr. Narendra Jadhav. Abhijit Roy, Abhishek Agarwal, Abhishek Yatin Mehta, Anubhav Kedia, Anusha John, Apatu, Arvind L,
Percy Thomas, Brahmanandi, Saraswati, Divya Saina, Indradev Shivasani, Jagannathan, Kanika Gupta, Krishnakant, Krishnan J. Mayank Upadhyay, Mohammad Ayubi, Mohit Agarwal, Namita Agarwal, Neelam Sate, Niharika Reddy, Nitish Mittal, Pawan Kumar, Priya Ramanathan, Kushan Sharma, Rahul, Rahul Garg,